Hey guys, welcome. Myself Indrajit, and I have 5 years of experience with Android development. Currently, I am working as an Android developer. So basically, I use Java and Kotlin language for Android development. So why we are here? Actually, we have started one YouTube channel in 2020 itself, but due to some work, I was busy and I hadn't continued that channel. Right now, it's time to start the channel again. So let's see our channel. So this is our channel. We had started in 2020 itself. So we had uploaded 2 videos on PHP, but due to some reasons, I hadn't continued that channel. So now it's time to again start to with our new series. The series is Kotlin. So welcome to Kotlin world. This the channel is Smile App, and I own this channel. So welcome to Kotlin world. So now, so why are you learning Kotlin? So my question is basic. Why are you learning Kotlin, and why I'm asking these questions? So for completing course or for getting job. So I think you are if you had done the BTech or you are in BTech, so you think you didn't learn the Kotlin for just completing the course. So basically, what the things are in 9th or 10th or 11th, 12th, the student just do the things for completing the course. But right now you are in a graduation or in BTech or MCA, so you just learn the Kotlin for getting job. Of course, you learn the Kotlin for getting the job. So now, so if you get the job, so you will work in the company, anywhere company. So in company there are two things: just to teach the Kotlin or to develop the projects. So if you want to teach the Kotlin, so basically if you want to teach the Kotlin, then nothing, just you learn the concept, just use the concept, like how to swap the number, how to add the number, write the factorials, program for factorials, just learn the inheritance, what is encapsulation, just theory things. Just what the student did, just learn the theory and just want to practical, just over. But if you want to develop the projects in a company, then you have to learn the things in a that way, so you can use that concept that in a projects. So for example, if you learn the inheritance, if you learn the encapsulation, so how you use the encapsulation or inheritance in your projects, so in that manner you have to learn. So 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 you think, can you learn only Kotlin or Kotlin with project development? So my concern, my course will be Kotlin with project development, not only Kotlin. So what our course will be like, if you learn like two or three things, two or three chapter, after completing that chapter we will develop one project. So and we will see how these things are used in a real scenarios. Okay, so prerequisite is anyone can learn. Okay, anyone can learn. I mean, from 10th class, 9th class, we will start from basic. We'll, very basics we will start. So the Kotlin. Now, so why we learn Kotlin? So basically, what happens in 2011, JetBrains just announced the Kotlin. So I think before 2007 no one knows what the Kotlin. So what happened in 2017, Google announced that the Kotlin is used for preferred for the Android developments. Okay, so and in 2019 Google announced the Kotlin programming language is the now Android app developers. Why it happens? Why Google announced that the Kotlin is the preferred language for Android developers? Because it has lots of features like null safety, lots of things are Kotlin dates. So now most of the company in India or in the whole country, like another country, uses the Kotlin for Android app developments. So it has lots of features. While we study, we know all the features, how it is good for Android development and how it is better than Java. So we'll know in the next upcoming classes. So basically, it was a history. So we'll upload that things on our YouTube channels. So thank you. We'll meet you meet in next lecture. Thank you.